After these beautiful shots were taken on the Minolta, it died on me. And yes, I had a separate pair of batteries, and that didn't work either. It was a capacitor in the lower compartment of the camera, and there's a way to fix it, but most Minolta owners will just say, get a new body. So, Minolta X700 users, how many bodies you got? Okay, that's a stupid joke. Anyway, I don't want to buy a new body, so I want to do it on my own. With later research, I found that it was a 200 microfarad, 4 volt electrolytic capacitor, and the reason why they break is just the older ones are just shit material, and a lot of people have this problem with the X700. But I want to fix it. Like, I love the shots that I have out of this camera. I don't want to just buy another camera. I have an emotional attachment to this camera. So anybody out there who feels me, just gotta get it fixed. Also, the 75 to 300 millimeter telephoto on the Nikon 6006, it's not that sharp, and I was trying to figure out why. I was thinking maybe I needed to get it cleaned because it's, you know, kind of old and used. Maybe I should keep my aperture like cranked all the time, but it's really hard in low light situations. This thing also has a, you know, wide range of shutter speeds. It goes all the way up to 1/2000th of a second, and it's easy to just crank the shutter speed rather than changing your aperture when you look at the light meter. So it goes all the way up to f32, I think it is. So I should have been riding apertures up in that higher, tighter range, but I wasn't, and a lot of my photos are just not as sharp as I really want them to be. Also, the light meter on this camera isn't that accurate. It doesn't, not like it matters. The X700 light meter, for it being dated from 81 or whatever, I don't really know the exact date of it, it's spot on. So thanks, Mary. There was a tag on it that said Mary when I bought it at the thrift store. Irrelevant information, you don't need to know that. Yeah, so you might be wondering, based off the title of this video, where the snow is. Well, we were wondering the exact same thing. So we decided to stroll on back to the hotel, get ourselves a New York hot dog, and take a little nap. Great idea. Yo, I fucking dumped last night.
He's probably getting up around now. Dude, why is the snow coming out, dude? Wide angle lens and you stop anywhere and point straight up, it's gonna look sick as fuck.
That is true, yeah.
Especially with the fucking snow.
Yeah.